Hello, friend. Joe at the office here. Today I want to talk about a couple things. How to effectively use themes and transitions in Microsoft PowerPoint. So first we'll start on themes. I created a design PowerPoint blank presentation here. So click on it. We'll have a couple add some text to it. That's what we're going to do. And this is for the most effective use of these powerful presentation tools. Alright, we got a couple elements here. We got a large title and a small subtitle. We want to add some pictures. See what we can find here. My logo. Bam. Right. Got a little bit smaller. Effectively. We're going to use the PowerPoint logo. Oh, that's a little small. Way over here. And as you can see, we're in the design tab, and some design ideas have already popped up here. And when you click on these design ideas, they'll just format, give you a suggested format on a new design. So looking through these pretty cool things that you can choose here for your business presentation. Really cool things. I went ahead and normally do something with lines. But you can see you have a lot to choose from. So this is actually pretty cool. I'd probably change these two. That is nice. Alright, so as you can see, you can choose your theme, and you can also change, edit how they appear. I'm going to go ahead and use this one. It's not exactly perfect, but has the title and subtitle and the icons I want to have. So there you have that. That's themes. Design themes. And secondly, I want to look at in this tutorial transitions. So transitions are a very powerful tool for just holding the viewer's attention. So I have a PowerPoint presentation here that I created for my MBA class on a fictional business, and I wanted to go over transitions. So transitions on the menu, and you can see the ribbon has a lot of choices with how you can transition from one slide to another. One of my favorites is I think it's called Wind. I don't know where it's at. We'll do Shred, just to show you what it looks like. That's what Shred looks like. And once you choose it for this, that's how it'll transition from slide 1 to slide 2. You would choose slide 3, and then you could choose a new one, and that's how it'll transition, just a morph. You choose slide 4, and we'll do Vortex. That looks cool. Now let's do Wind. Wind is definitely my favorite. There it is. And then choose 5. We'll choose a different one. Cut is just a quick cut. And Honeycomb, which is pretty neat there. And then let's Let's go ahead and finish it out while we're working on it. Wipe. Just wipes straight across. It's almost not noticeable, but it's still a neat effect. Cube. The roof. Nice. And then we'll do split. So you can get used to see how you'd see some of these. Let's go ahead and look at it in presentation mode, just from slide 2, slide 3, and you can see these transitions are, some of them are subtle, some of them are pretty captivating. You have to make a decision on which transitions you use based on the audience that you have. And I'd say be creative, put your personal touch on it, and always enjoy yourself, of course. Make it fun for you. So that's it for today. If you saw something that was useful to you, please hit the like and subscribe button, and I'll see you next time. Thank you for watching.